Omaha is facing a major lawsuit. It's tied to the death of a worker for the TV show Cops. Bryce Dion was killed in August 2014. He had followed Omaha Police into a Wendy's where a robbery was taking place.
The fatal shots killing Dion coming from Omaha Police. Tonight, our Aaron Murray explains the lawsuit and shares what both sides' attorneys are saying.
One of the cops guys has been hit by gunfire when you squad here now.
The audio chilling. The pictures of the armed robbery show the moments before Omaha Police opened fire, killing the robbery suspect and Cops TV show audio supervisor Bryce Dion.
We need multiple squads.
Now, more than a year and a half later, an 11-page lawsuit claims negligence on the part of the Omaha Police Department and asks the city for payment to the heartbroken family of Dion.
The mother is so devastated it's hard for her to talk about this now. The father is doing a good job of expressing his grief and handling it, and the brother is my contact who is trying to manage it for his parents.
Under negligence, the document says, quote, OPD was not ready, willing, or able to provide adequate instruction, training, oversight, supervision, or protection.
Was required to be protected by them, not shot by them.
The Omaha City Attorney Paul Kratz does not agree.
We feel very strongly that we have no liability in this case.
Standing firm, they are not at fault.
The family understands that nobody wanted this to happen. It was an accident. It's a sad, sad case. The chief of police was very appropriate about it when he spoke about it after it happened. The family appreciates that. The legal system just has to decide the legal issues and the damages question.
Now, another document that we feel is important in this case is this one right here. This is the agreement between the city and the production company that does the TV show Cops, Langley Productions. This is what they agreed to. Basically, it says Langley Productions or families won't sue the city if a cop's employee is harmed or killed. But the problem, this contract had an agreement period of 3 months. And John Mallory, Dion was killed 4 days after this contract expired.
Aaron, did the city respond to that fact?
No, they did not. Right now, the city told us they want to keep their defense private. They said it'll all come out in trial, but we want to tell viewers, don't hold your breath for this trial. These types of cases, from the day they are filed, could take up to 18 months before a trial date is chosen.
All right, thanks, Aaron Murray reporting. And there is a $1 million cap on compensation in trials like this one. The attorney is asking that this be lifted.
Also, they are requesting the case be a jury trial.